Back to the top of the order with Jacob at the top of the third. Foul ball. Big hit over the third baseman's head to left fielder. And Jacob is safe on first. Nice hit. Now Paul's up. Swing. Shot between the third baseman and the shortstop. Jacob is safe at second. And Paul is safe at first. Big hit to the outfield. It bounces. In trouble handling it there. Jacob's going home. Samuel is threatening to run to second, but with Paul at second already, he's getting one. Here's Clayton. Pop fly in the foul ball. There's a high fly ball coming right out here. Two runs scored. Nice two-run double for Clayton. Paul and Sam. Score is now 8-6, and Gray is up. That's the first one go. Chopper to the second baseman. Can't handle it. Clayton's going home. And he's safe. And we're back. And Gray is going to turn and look. All right, that's 4 runs. Make it 9-4. 6. Nice job, Gray. Taylor looking to make a big hit when it goes right through the middle. That'll be the 5th run if Gray makes it. Taylor is safely at first, and there's the 5th run. Woo! Go! Halfway through the third, it's 10-6. Big hit right out to the wall here. Gray's got it, throwing it into 2. Hit. They call him safe. That was close. Nice try, Samuel. Way to back it up and go for the tag. Coach Jason came out to argue for the out. Umpire stood by his ruling. Now it's 0-1, the next batter. Foul ball back. 1 ball, 2 strikes. Jimmy's got it. Going for the play at first. Clayton's got it. Runner holds at third. Nice try, Jimmy. Pop fly, foul, over the fence. That's a big fly ball. Nice. Another big hit. Jackson, not quite. Runner's going to third. Throw is into second. Good throw. That's 10-9 now. Still no outs. 1 ball, no strike. Another big hit. Ground rule double. Clayton, nice play. Oops, there he is. I'm sorry, that was Witt. Nice play. The shot. Paul's got it. Runners at third. And Witt's doing a good job of holding him there. It's 10-10, 2 out. Bottom of the third. Paul. Oh, and Witt couldn't hold it, so the run scores, and that's the 5-run inning. Score is now 11-10 after 3. And he's leading off the 4th. Takes a strike. Nice shot out to left field, past the third base. Safe, turning and looking to second. And Jimmy stays at first. Nice hit. Now it's Mason. Let's the first one go. 1-0. Nice breeze. bringing down the temperature to about 97. Nice big hit. Line drive out there. They got him out. Jimmy was holding to see if it was a caught ball. Nice hit, Mason. Safe it. Width's up. Nice shot right between third and... All right, Mason's safe. At second, good play. But a nice hit and a good base run. This is Jackson, 1 out. Low shot. Okay, so men are at second and third now with 2 out. Still 11-10. And Walker is up. Nice hit out to right field. We got 2 runs going to score. Walker is safe at first. And there's Witt going in. And who else was that? Jacob? No, Mason made it home. Grayson? That's the first one to go. Walker's on first. Follow. 2-2. Good. Oh, short, but it's still good. It's still a live ball. All right, we'll take it. Walker's on second. Grayson's on first. And back to the top of the order with Jacob coming to bat. Ooh, they got the play. The pitcher. Oh, but he missed it. And Walker's going home. It's a big overthrow, and Grayson's going home. Nice big hit there from Jacob, driving in 2 runs. Score is now 14-11. And Paul is at bat with Jacob on second. Paul is going to go for him at first, but he's safe. And Jacob is safe at home. Make a 5-run inning. Paul continues to play. The boys keep playing, but that's a 5-run inning. Score is now 15-11 after 3 1/2.